Okay, so today we're going to talk about our vibrating mesh nebulizer. So this nebulizer applies vibrating mesh technology, and it changes medication from liquid to mist so that it can be more easily inhaled into lungs for treating respiratory diseases. So let's see what's in the box. We already took them off here. You can actually see this kit includes main unit, medication chamber, adult mask, child mask, mouthpiece, and USB power cord. So in order for you to use this device, you need to take the medication chamber first and put the medication inside by simply opening this small lid here and put the medication inside. And after you do this, you need to connect this medication chamber with the main unit. So simply align the trenches on the medication chamber with the main unit tracks and insert the medication chamber into main unit and confirm that the medication chamber is actually fixed on its place. You're gonna hear a click sound, just like this. Okay. So this device is almost ready to go. You just need to plug the power in with your USB cord. So let's plug it in. And yeah, you can actually start using it with the simple tap on the power button. Just like this. Alright, so let's see how to use the attachments here. This is a mouthpiece. If you want to inhale medication directly with your mouth, and you need to put this device into your mouth, and you need to attach this attachment with the medication chamber. So it's actually very easy to use. It's very intuitive. You just need to squeeze a little bit and put it in and turn just a little bit, and you will hear this click sound. And you can also use this with this attachment. All right, so to take it off. And let's see how to use the adult mask here. So you can actually see there are also some tracks here, which is going to be aligned with the trenches on the main unit. So you just take the device, put it here like this, and you will hear a click sound again. Yeah, and after you do this, you can actually put this on your face with the ease of this attachment. Yeah, just like this. So we actually added some functions to prevent this mesh inside getting damaged. For example, if this medication chambers get disattached, so for example, let's say it got detached like this, the main unit is actually going to turn itself off after a couple of seconds, just like this. Or maybe your medication inside is already depleted, like there's no medication inside. The device is also going to turn itself off to protect this mesh unit inside. So for example, we can actually simulate that situation by tilting the device a little bit. See, there are no medication going into the mesh unit, and the device actually turns itself off. So just like this. So this is pretty much how to use this, our vibrating mesh nebulizer, and thank you for watching.